Hi everyone, it's summertime, so I thought I should show you guys how to make some cold brew at home. So today I'll show you 3 ways. First I'll show you the ice strip, then I'll show you the cold brew, and then I'll show you the Japanese cold brew. For the ice strip, the ratio will be 1 to 6. I'm using 20 grams right now. And you want to grind to a fine setting. Most people don't have an ice strip set up at home, so what I came up with is I'm using an AeroPress and I'm putting all the coffee grinds on the bottom, and then I'll add the ice cubes to the top. You don't need a plunger for this. The coffee was 20 grams, now I'll add 120 grams of ice. Now you can put this in the fridge and let it sit overnight. This whole thing will take about 12 hours to drip down. It's a very slow process, so what you get in the end is a very syrupy consistency to the coffee. I made this yesterday. You can add water or you can add milk and enjoy it as a cold iced latte. The second way is cold brew. There's commercial brew kits out there, but I find French press makes the same coffee. What you're doing is just leaving the coffee at the bottom and add cold water on the top. Since you're using a French press, using more coffee will be a better way to make it. If you use very little, the height of the whole thing will not be very efficient. I'm using 40 grams this time, and I'll add 240 of water. Okay, give it a good stir. And close it. The same thing, leave this overnight and come back tomorrow or about 12 hours. I made this yesterday. This is what's left when you pour out the coffee from the French press. This is a concentrate. I suggest using it with ice water or milk for iced lattes. The third way is the Japanese ice brew. What it means is you're brewing hot coffee over ice. I'm using our regular recipe. That's 16 grams, but the outcome will be 120 grams. I'm using our usual 16 grams of coffee. Our usual outcome is 240, but for the cold brew, we're going to reduce it by half, so 120. You add a little bit of ice on the bottom so it chills the coffee right away when it's brewed. Because we're using so little water, I tend to use about 30 grams of water each time. When you're done, just add ice to the top. And the coffee is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. See you next time.